Wanna know how to download Reolink app on Android? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Play Store. Now, once you're under your Play Store, you should be with this screen right here. On the middle, you should be seeing this search bar. Just simply select it. Now, once you selected the search bar, just simply type in Reolink. Now once you've done that, on the first result right here, you should be seeing the Reolink app. You can just simply directly select install or just see more of its descriptions like reviews, updates and much more. Now just simply select install and you're good. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.